Caesar's Castle. Go to the ticket office and pay for your entry. You can also download an audio guide, which also costs. Show your ticket at the castle to enter. There are lots of information, however most of it is in Italian. There is a machine on the side with lots of different attractions. You can press onto one and read all the information in English or Italian. The staff showed me the fountain room on the machine because currently it's under construction. She said it's unsafe to enter, so you can only see a little bit in the corner. There are 2 more floors, so you can go upstairs and look at the rooms. It is quite big, and there is staff on each floor who will tell you which way to go. Actually, on this floor, the staff followed me around and she asked me if I wanted photos, so she took some photos for me. Walking along here, you can see half of it is restored and half of it is original. There are very few information boards in English. If you don't have the audio guide, you can easily look it up online or have it translated. In most of the rooms, you find this random hole. It was actually a shelf. Now we're on the top floor and you keep seeing all of this object. The information wasn't that good, so we looked it up online. It was basically placed in front of windows to help ventilation. In the middle of most rooms, you'll find some pottery. There are a few areas where you can look into the ground. Something unique was the windows at the top. It was weird. In most of the rooms, there are photos of paintings and the location. They are not here. Now we're in the middle of the top room. Here, there's lots of glass on the floor and you can look down. The centerpiece shows a tile. Every tile has a hole in the middle for water drainage. You can also see things that they discovered. Now we're heading outside. This is the front of the castle, and this is the front door. As I mentioned earlier, the fountain room is closed. They are actually restoring it so that water would flow down the fountain into this area here and all the way into the park. The park is free and it belongs to the city. This construction will last until next year. The fountains only turn on 1 hour a day due to problems. On the side are flowers growing. It will grow along the frame. Overall, the best part of the castle is not able to be seen until next year. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!